All right, now in order to create the antenna, you're going to grab your green yarn again and your crochet hook. You're going to create a slip knot and then a magic ring. Now we're going to place 6 single crochets into the center of our magic ring. Then just pull on that tail so it's nice and tight. Now for row 2, we're just going to single crochet around, so that'll be 6 stitches in row 2 as well. Now for row 3, we are going to be decreasing once, so it'll be 2 single crochets, a decrease, and then 2 single crochets for a total of 5 stitches in row 3. Now I'm just going to snip off this little bit of excess. And now for row 4, you're going to single crochet around, so that's another row of 5 stitches. Now we're just going to pull out a long tail for sewing. Snip that off. Then there's your antenna that you'll sew on top of the alien's head.